Hey you guys, and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. My name's Christa Clark and I run the blog artisticvegan.com. And today we are making a delicious, fantastic, out of this world, make your mouth water just thinking about it, cheesecake bars. These are so good, you're just gonna love them. Let's get into how to make them. Look at this, we have our delicious homemade cheesecake bars with a strawberry swirl and the most delightful crust. They are heavenly. I took a bite and it just blew me away. Oh my God. These are a 10 out of a 10. They're absolutely delicious. They are a bit decadent. They've got a little bit of sugar here and there intermixed, but we did use a non-refined sugar with coconut sugar. So that's at least a little bit better for us. But they are out of this world, de-frickin-licious. You can get this recipe over at artisticvegan.com. If you like cheesecake and you like strawberries, you're gonna love this recipe. You could also replace it with any other berries that you have on hand right now. Oh, I can't get over it. I just love cheesecake, and these cheesecake bars just make my mouth water. They're heaven. You can get the recipe over at artisticvegan.com. Thanks for spending your time with me today in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. It tastes like real cheesecake. This is probably the best vegan cheesecake I've made. Please visit my Artistic Vegan web store where you can purchase the always popular alchemical elixirs and Starfire Gold, colloidal silver to boost your immune system, as well as our books with new products on the horizon. Purchasing our products and services enables Gerald and I to continue serving the community. Thank you for your support.